Dot stitch is a great stitch for backgrounds, any area such as on the sail where you want to give lighter coverage. We've done it on the actual sail here, and it's also, although a little difficult to see, is the sparkly of the background. And basically what that allows the design to do is to allow the design to come forward and the background to recess back. So what we're doing is we're creating layers here, and this is a great stitch to use for that purpose, as well as skip tent. It's just a variation of that and slightly simpler because you don't work it on the diagonal, you work it back and forth. So we picked an intersection, and in this case we're picking where the vertical goes over the horizontal, which means we're going to skip the next one because that's where the horizontal row goes over the vertical. We're going to skip that and go to this row, which is where the horizontal is going over the vertical. And basically all you're doing is skipping and stitching every second row. But it makes a great light background, especially if you're using a sparkly thread. It just makes the canvas pop a little bit. So if you were doing a background, say for example, on these gnomes, and you wanted to do the dot stitch, you would pick a sparkly color, the same color as the background, let that sparkle come out, but also let the painted canvas do some work. It's also takes half the time, so it's a speedy little stitch. So what we're going to do is just simply drop the row that I just directly below that I stitched, and we're going to stitch a second row. Now it's much easier to find once you get that first row in, so much easier to get the rest of them in because they're just all going to fall into place. Now remember when you're working on stretcher bars to let your less dominant hand be on the bottom and your more dominant hand be on the bottom and your less dominant hand be on the top. The reason I hiccup there was because I started out as a lefty and my lovely nuns at school made me switch to my right hand. So I'm not really sure what my dominant hand is. All right, so there you have it. And you'll see that it creates a nifty little pattern. And because you're stitching every other stitch, this is a great stitch that goes really, really quickly, but gives a very nice textured look.